C2 words are uncommon and therefore difficult to memorize and hard to use. If you are already a C1 user of the English language, it is now time to take it up a notch and learn some more advanced words. Bear in mind, though, that these words are mostly used in formal written English. Today, I chose 3 similar looking words for you. My first word today is factitious. It means made to happen artificially by people rather than happening naturally. Look at the word used in context. A largely factitious national identity was created to find the spies. The second word is fastidious, which means very careful about the small details in your appearance, work, etc. Synonym is meticulous. For example, she dressed with fastidious care. And it also means being very concerned about the matters of cleanliness. The child seemed fastidious about getting her fingers dirty. Or people who are fastidious about personal hygiene can sometimes be irritating. Finally, the word fictitious means not true or not real. It comes from the word fiction. Synonym, imaginary. Reports of a deal were dismissed as fictitious by the minister. I hope you enjoyed these words. Peace.